Hey guys, today I'll be talking about the Vim text editor and why is it important for every software developer to at least know about it. So basically, the Vim is an open source text editor that comes along with your Unix and Linux systems. So it is very popular it is very popular among developers because of its efficient keyboard shortcuts that allows us for quick editing of text files and programs. So if you ask me, does Vim make you a better developer? No, but it definitely does make you an efficient developer. So it is worthwhile to understand a few commands that might help you in the long run. So as you can see in my screen, I'm using PyCharm IDE because I code in Python. And if you want to use Vim, you just have to go to your preferences and in plugins, just install this IDEA Vim plugin and then restart your IDE. Once you restart your IDE, you can see my cursor over here. It is of it's of the IDEA Vim plugin, and you can see in the bottom here as well. So without any further waiting, I'll just directly jump into the terminal and then show you a few basic commands. So the basic movements in Vim shortcut are H, J, K, and L. So H goes for left, L for right, and J and K are down and up. And if you press Shift plus H, it will go to the highlight, that is the first line of your program. And Shift plus L will go to the last line of your program. And Shift M will go to the middle line of your program. These are the basic movements that you can do in your Vim editor. Then, in order to start typing in this Python program, I have to enter into the insert mode by pressing I. I'll go into the insert mode. You can see, just press enter and start new line. And if I press the escape key, it will go back. It will go out of the insert mode. So if I press escape again and then shift colon and WQ, which is right plus quit in Vim terminology. If I do quit, then this line won't be saved and it'll show me a warning. So if I want to override that warning, I have to quit with an exclamation, knowing that I'm quitting without saving. So I will quit with WQ, right, and quit. It will close my file and reopen my file. You can see this line is still present here. So these are the basic movements and how to insert a line and how do you write and quit your file. And one more important thing that I would like to share is that the visual mode. You just press Control V in your Mac. You'll go into visual mode. You could select the block of code. Then I will do Shift I to enter into my insert mode. Then I will press the hash, which is command in Python program language. Then I will press escape. So as you can see that I was able to comment a block of code with only a few commands. So this is powerful and efficient when you're doing day-to-day activities like you're coding and you're performing. When you want to comment a block of code, this would be a much efficient solution rather than commenting individually. To uncomment these lines, you could simply enter into the visual mode again by Control V, select it, then press the D key, which is basically means delete in Vim, and you can just uncomment this. One more interesting command is the DW command, which is delete word. So if you could just delete a number of words actually, like if you press 2DW, it will delete 2 words, 3W means 3 words, like that, and so on. So I'll delete 2 words, 2DW. You can see 2 words have been deleted in my file. One more important thing when you're developing software applications is that you might need to occasionally rename or refactor your variables. In those situations, you need to find and replace words in your program files. So in that case, the find and replace functionality in Vim will come in handy for you. So in order to do that, you just have to press your escape key, then slash, then type the word that you're searching for. For example, I'm typing temp, pressing enter. I'll get it to that instance. If I press N, it will go to the next instance of that word. So in order to replace this kind of word, you have to press escape, colon, then %S in the word that you intend to find and the word you intend to replace. And for all instances, you have to specify that G, enter. Yeah. Now you can see the changes have been applied in our file. So this is the basic introduction to Vim and how it can be useful to you in the long run when you're developing software applications. I will leave a link below in the description, which will contain a cheat sheet of all these commands and further additional commands that might come in handy for you.